Hey everybody, this is Road Trip Dave here, coming at you from Hollywood Studios at the Walt Disney World Resort. We're going to take a ride at the studio's newest edition of Toy Story Land and show you the whole thing. That ride is Alien Swirling Saucers. Let's check it out. As we walk down Hollywood Boulevard near the main entrance, just remember to choke slam that like button since it really helps me on YouTube. Please leave a comment and share this video too. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to know when I post new videos and live streams. Last but not least, please follow my channel on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram with the links in the description below. This was my first impression of Toy Story Land.
Okay, first impressions already. This place is pretty cool. The theming here is it's just so creative, and it's just so different from what you normally see in any theme park. But yeah, so far, pretty good.
When you're in this very creative and fun land, you'll know you're getting close to the Swirling Saucers ride when you see these big green saucers right here. This larger-than-life Buzz Lightyear standing next to the entrance of the ride is a fantastic photo op. You'll even hear him speak from time to time. The entrance has a standby line on the left and Fast Pass on the right. Now, we arrived at Hollywood Studios for extra magic hours, which started at 7 in the morning. But we rode Toy Story Mania first, then decided to wait in the standby line for this ride. This huge laser pistol is just another example of Disney's incredible attention to detail in this attraction. It really does make you feel as if you've been shrunk to the size of Andy's toys in Andy's backyard, with birds chirping and other backyard sounds as well. The overall theme of this ride is that Alien Swirling Saucers is a large toy set that integrates with Buzz Lightyear's accessories. You'll notice the large decals and other details to make it look like a headquarters. As you can see, this section of the ride was not working, which made the standby line wait much longer than the initial time posted, which was 25 minutes. The queue makes you feel like you're in a maze within the toy set before you can see the actual ride itself. Once you get to the ride check-in, a Disney cast member assigns you a star to wait on. A saucer car can hold up to 3 people, so my 2 boys and I got this star.
Your attention, please. A message from above.
Alright, posted wait for this ride was 25 minutes. It was actually 45 minutes. I'll let you guys know if it was worth the wait.
When your ride is finished, which is basically after a minute or so, you will walk out to this area where you can see the green saucers.
All right. We're actually here by Star Tours after doing the flying saucer ride there in Toy Story Land. My assessment is it worth a 45-minute wait?
We're here!
No. It was fun. It was actually kind of interesting. It had a little bit of a twist to how you are slung around, so that was kind of cool. But I would recommend getting here early morning hours, and hopefully they will have both sections running. They only had one section running, so.
That's right. My recommendation is to ride this attraction first at park opening. I would not use a fast pass for this ride either. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more ride-alongs and videos coming soon from Walt Disney World. Until then, Dave's Roadies, laters.